Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the training session which we started yesterday, that is which I tagged spikes trading in boom and crash. Okay, spikes trading in boom and crash. Okay, after that video which I posted yesterday, I got so many comments from some of my subscribers, and I'm really happy about what most of the comments were saying, and I'm really happy that you guys are really learning from this. Okay, that is actually the purpose of this training session, just for us to know how we can handle the situation of things in the market. Okay, and that is what we are looking at. Okay, and we will continue from there today, and these are some of the things we'll be checking out also. Okay, so quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course, make sure you do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. That is very, very important. I know you guys are eager to make money, but you should take some time to learn how to make the money also. That is very, very important, and get every necessary tools that will aid you in making the money easily. Okay, that is, all these are very, very important in order for you to have a successful journey within this platform. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Before we do that, okay, in case you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can it take a few seconds to do that right away? Okay, that's the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. You can also join the Telegram channel so that we can trade together. I know it's been a busy period for us out in this month because it's already getting towards the end of the year. I'm trying to put my complaint in the right place so that all the team can go on all the once we are done with everything we're doing right here. So I don't want to overwork us. I want us to have a little vacation for ourselves so that we can relax a bit before we resume for work next year. So that's why we've been a bit busy this period. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, so we will be checking out how we can we will be looking at a lot of things about spikes. In this video, we will be looking at where the spikes usually happen. Okay, so that is what we will be focusing on. Okay, yesterday you will notice that I gave you a simple illustration about spikes and how it happens. I said for boom, normal trend for boom, especially novice, they love trading the sell trend. They start selling because it's easy for them to trade, but once in a while they see a single candle spiking up. Okay, so that is what we call spikes. Okay, and for crash, it goes up gradually, and all of a sudden we see a single straight line crashing down. That's the crash down candle, and it is the spike in crash. Okay, and this usually happen if within this region, which I will be sharing with you in this illustration right here. Okay, so this is how it happens for boom. Okay, we have more spikes, although we can have spikes happening in any of the trend, but we have it happening more when the market is on uptrend. So the best trend where we can find so many spikes happening for boom is when the market is on uptrend. Okay, when the market is on uptrend, that is when we get a lot of spikes happening around here. Okay, then of course also for boom, spikes usually happen around the support zone. Okay, it usually happen around the support zone, most especially when it is in its right trend. That is when it is on uptrend, every support zones are very, very important because you just keep on seeing the spikes happening, popping up right from there. Okay, while for crash, spikes usually happen when the market is on downtrend, and most especially around the resistance zone. Okay, most especially when the our market is on downtrend, all these resistance zones are very important, okay, because at that point you keep on seeing spikes happening around there. So let's go a bit practical. Let's go straight to the chart right away. Okay guys, I will be starting with crash. Okay, if I'm unable to touch boom today, that means I will be doing that of the boom tomorrow. So let's see those places where spikes usually happen. Okay, if you should check out at the top here, I'll check it out around here. It crashed down right here, and when the market got there again around here, it still did what? It crashed down. Okay, that is around the resistance zone. Here is a resistance zone, and it's kept on crashing because it was on uptrend right here. It didn't really go for a very long time before it started pulling back, but right here it's kept on crashing down and crashing down. So that is one thing you should take note of. Okay, then if you should let's see another one around here also. You can see when it got there it crashed, when it got there again it crashed. Okay, now let's look at here. Okay, check it out, it went up a bit, and when it got there it crashed and kept on crashing, and right here when it got there again it crashed, it's crashed, and again around here again it crashed. Okay, so that's because those areas are resistance zone. It has obeyed it in the past, and definitely it's going to obey it again. And if you should check down the corner right here, you're going to see similar situations right there. More especially when you go on higher time frame, you're going to see similar situation right there. Okay, so when the market is on downtrend, every resistance zone is very important, okay, because you're going to see so many crashes happening around here. Okay, you can see this also when the market got here. Okay, even though it didn't go up for a very long time because it was on downtrend already, you can see it crashed down. Check it out here again, it got there again around here. You can see it moved up from here to here, and it did what? It crashed. You can see that. Okay, so all the resistance zones are very important when the market is on downtrend for crash. Okay, let's see more, and this is very easy for us to do. Once you understand this, then you will know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. You can see this right here. When the markets got to this region it crashed. Let's see, you can see it around there too. When it got there too it crashed. So you can see, so which means once it is approaching the next resistance zone which it has crashed before, then you should expect it to crash at that point. Sometimes it won't get there totally, sometimes it will get there. You can see around there it crashed, and check it out around here again it crashed. Okay, most especially when the market is on downtrend, this will keep on happening over and over. Around there it crashed, and around here again it crashed. Okay, so I'm just trying to let you see the resistance zone. Okay, although in most cases if you really want to know, and this is how you can know how a trend will go for a very long time or not, you can do the general analysis from the higher time frame. If you want to trade on 5 minutes, you can do it from 30-minute time frame. If you are not seeing it clearly on 30 minutes, you go to 1 hour. Sometimes you might need to go to H4, which is 4 hours. Then if you are not even seeing it there at all, you might need to go to daily time frame. Just that you need to apply brain at that point, because you don't have to go too far, because that is daily time frame. You need to watch out for that. Okay, so you can see around here it crashed. Check it out, around here again it crashed. Okay, so this is not really that visible because it is on 5-minute time frame. If I had gone to higher time frame, then definitely you will be able to see the calculation very well. You will know that okay, when there is a resistance zone, then definitely you should expect a crash around there. Okay, so you stay away from the market even before it gets to the resistance zone, just the way I always tell you. So all the resistance zone, most especially when the market is on downtrend for crash, all the resistance zones are very important, so you can easily trade the spikes by placing your pending order right there. Once it's get there to pick your order. If you are placing the pending order, you put the order just before the resistance zone. Let's say here is a resistance zone, so you can put your order somewhere here so that it will get there before it gets to the final resistance zone. It's in case it's going to crash immediately, it's pick up your order, and if it will go further a bit, it will just get to the main resistance zone, then it will start crashing. And once it starts crashing, it can keep on crashing and crashing out till the end of the trend. You can imagine you coming in where the horizontal line is, and it kept on crashing till it got to this region, and you now close all your trade at this point. Okay, that's so amazing. So guys, that is what you need to know, and this can also help you to avoid spikes too, because you already know that, okay, when the market is on downtrend is a no-go area for you, okay, if you are not trading spike. Okay, and of course, and even when the market is in its right trend, which is the uptrend, and you are buying, and once it is approaching a major resistance zone, you do what? You close your trade immediately, because it is most likely you have a spike happening around there. It might not be for a very long time, but it's most likely you have a spike happening around there. So it is better you stay away from the market than for you to lose part of your profit or even part of your capital. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. I want you to go back to your chart and try to identify some of these areas and see how the markets will favor you whenever you are trading. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I'll kindly do so right away so that you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And for those of you that are yet to join the Telegram channel, check the description box for the Telegram link and join right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.